Hi guys, welcome back to the Daily Forex. So today I'm a bit having a bad day because I was trading and I lost internet connection. So this is not one of my regular videos where I show you guys strategy. It's just a video about me trading and I lost internet connection and I was making quite small profit from the market, about $3 from the market before the internet connection went off, right? And it's still off even as I'm talking to you guys right now. Okay, so this video is just going to show you some of the analysis I use and how accurate the analysis is. I was able to cash spike from the market using small lot size, and I was able to take advantages of small price movement from boom and crash market as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you the video guys so that you can see, and I believe you can get some knowledge from this video analysis. I'm going to be trading on different indices on boom and crash specifically, and I'm gonna see how much profit I can make on the market. Okay, so I made $3 from this market right here. I got 3 candlesticks from this point and I went over to the boom market, which is the boom 500, and I also made the same profit right here. I got 3 candlesticks from here and I got 3 candlesticks from the crash market, making it, I got the first market was, the profit was 1.23 USD, and here right here the profit is 1.33 USD that I made from this market. You can see here I sold and I closed during this point. Okay, so I made a video concerning that when I was trading, but unfortunately the video had no sound. Okay, so that I had to cut it out. So I'm just showing you the back history right here. You can see that I made profit from this market. I sold here and I closed the trade at this point, and on the crash right here I caught a spike because I sold here and I caught the spike. Then right here at this point I got 3 candlesticks from the market as scalping and I made over $1, which is $1.25. Okay, so I've made approximately $2.50 from the market. Okay, now if I look at this chart right here, I can see that the price has hit the level of 90 on the MACD with my setup. Okay, so right here you can clearly see that when price got to this point on the MACD, it's retested, right? So I'm going to place a sell right here. I'm using a lot of 0.5, so I'm going to place a sell. Okay, I'm going to place a sell and I'll head over to the boom 500 index, right? Like I said guys, a spike occurred during this point. Immediately you can see, so what I'll do is to close this trade right here, close the trade. So I just got a profit of 0.83 scalping. Okay, so I told you guys that spike will occur during that point, right? Just like I said, if I zoom right here, you can clearly see at this point the spike occurred, and another spike is going to occur again because the price is still at this level. Okay, you can clearly see, right? So I just caught the spike. So imagine if I had used a bigger lot size, so you can imagine the kind of profit I would have made just from this spike alone. But I used a 0.5 lot and I got 0.83 cents, almost a dollar from the market. Okay, so the higher the lot, the more profit, but it also increases the higher risk of loss on the market. Okay, so the lower the lot, the lesser the risk of loss of fund, right? So I'm gonna head to the boom 500 index and see if I can take advantages of small price movement on the market, right? Because we're still scalping during this trade. So I'll go to the boom 500 index right here. So clearly the MACD is in an uptrend, right? And during this uptrend of the MACD, the price will spike. Okay, the market will spike because it's the uptrend of the MACD. So what I want to do is wait until the downtrend of the MACD. So on the crash 500, on the downtrend of the MACD, that's when spikes always happen, right? And on the uptrend of the MACD, the spike doesn't always happen during that point, only when it gets to a certain level. But on the boom, the spike always occur during the uptrend, and on the crash during the downtrend, right? So like I said guys, I just told you, like you can see right here, another spike occurred during this point because it's in an uptrend of the MACD on boom, and on the downtrend of MACD on crash, that's where spike occurs. So guys, you can see my strategy works. Okay, my analysis, my technical analysis, they are, almost, they are accurate. Okay, let's say they are almost, 100, but there's no strategy that is 100%. So they are, within, that level of 80, 90. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm not entering into this market right now because I just observe. That's why I said, when you're trading, you don't just, enter into the market and decide to trade. What you got to do is, proper technical analysis, set your, your indicators properly, identify your trade, know how to trade and plan your trade as well. So what I'm going to do right here is to go over to crash 1000 index and see what I can do on the market. Okay, so it's not just to rush to the market. Right here was the same position. Okay, let's zoom. I'm not going to enter this market, because even if the MACD is in an uptrend, we can clearly see right here where price is. Okay, because price is at the resistance zone. Okay, meaning price is going to retest during this point. So it doesn't matter if the MACD is in an uptrend. Okay, the price is going to retest, because these are, the key figures on the market. Technical analysis plus indicators, you need to know these things so that you'll be able to have a successful trade on the market. Okay, so it's not just to, use indicators alone. You need to observe and see how the market is going. You know what I'm saying, right? So let's go over to the boom 1000 index and see. So what I'm doing right here, I don't want to enter into the market. I don't want to rush. So this is how I trade. I don't just, rush into the market without, proper analysis. I need sharp entries. I need to see how the market is going. Okay, and because of the high volatility of the market, like such as boom and crash, we know the market is highly volatile. So you don't want to leave your trade. Let's say you're a day trader, you just place a trade and you have your eyes off the screen. You don't want to do that, because the market might go the opposite direction. Okay, so that's why mostly on the boom and crash, traders always scalp on the market. So they're scalping the market, taking advantages of small price movement of the market. Okay, that is how you can make long-term profit on this market, by taking small price movement advantages of small profits from the market. What I mean by small profit, when you see a sharp entry and a good entry at a given point, you can decide to take some candle ticks from the market as profit. Then you wait again until you see another good entry on the market. So just imagine that I made about $2.50 from the market, which is $2.50 from this market today, plus if I had the 0.83, because I told you guys that I made $2.50 from a previous trade that I made, but the video had no sound, so I had to remove the video. But I just showed you guys the history right here. You can see this is the trade right here. I bought the market and I sold and I closed the trade right here. Okay, so you see what I'm saying, guys. You take small profit from the market, then you wait again. So it didn't take long. I just made that profit, right? And when I see another entry, so if I continue like this, trading, taking small profits, advantages from the market, within a day, I would have made up to, let's say, $100 to $200 profit from the market. Even though I made some losses, it's possible, right? It's possible, but you still count more of your profit than your losses, because you are taking a scalping. You're taking small price movement from the market with small lot size, right? So you don't want to use bigger lot size, because it's going to increase the risk of the markets. Okay, so I just lost internet connection. My data is on, but no internet connection. There's no 4G or 5G network. The connection is off, so no internet connection. And this is one of those moments where you are on a trade and your internet connection just went off. That's a bad trading day. So I'm gonna pause this video whenever the network connection is back. So yeah.